we take it, and then we take the trips.
Hello! Today we're going to do something slightly different. We're upgrading. As you may know, we use a GoPro Hero 11. At the moment, we've given ourselves an upgrade just before Christmas.
It's our Christmas present to ourselves.
It's our Christmas present to ourselves. So we went ahead and got, after much research, we got the Sony ZV-1 Mk2. Hopefully it will show some sort of upgrade in visuals. We noticed, especially in Halloween Horror Nights, that the GoPro did not do well with low light. So we're hoping this one will be a bit better. I don't expect it to be perfect, but the GoPro was very poor. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing for you, since we just got it today. In case you're going to buy it, this is what you'll see. So, what have we got here?
Manuals, user
warranty, protection plan, and then the reference guide, which I assume will be a quick start guide of some sort. What's in the box? Hopefully a camera. That would be really bad if there wasn't one.
Yes.
What do we have in here?
That'd be our luck.
I would assume this is the little floof.
For the mic?
Yeah, for the microphone.
That's
Yes.
Is that a technical term?
The
Floof?
floof, yeah. I just coined that term.
Okay. Oh, here's a startup guide. Okay.
Need to make sure that is. So this sits up on top of the camera to cover the microphone to stop wind noise, which you will have experienced a lot in our videos, especially when we were at Cabrillo. Link below. And then further in, we have the camera itself. It's quite nice and small. That was the other reason that we went with this camera over the other options, is because it's still fairly small. And we do like the form factor of the GoPro. It's very easy, especially when you're in parks, to carry around. Whoops.
Cool.
There's the camera.
Yeah.
There's where the floof goes. And what else is in here? Hopefully a battery.
Looks like it. Success.
Get out here. One battery. Comes with one battery. So we're going to be buying some extra batteries. There's a few things that you will need to know when getting it. It doesn't come with the memory card. So that's an additional purchase that we need. That's actually coming later today. And then if you want any kind of selfie stick, you can buy a number of different ones online that work with this camera. The one we picked was about $60. I think it's on sale right now, but it also has controls for the camera on board and a remote that you can detach. Again, it's going to be a low form factor handle, tripod sort of stick with it. Not a legit selfie stick though, something small enough to be able to get into the likes of Universal. So yes, that is our new camera. You will be seeing something shot on this maybe this week, maybe next week, probably next week. But those videos will be coming up shortly.
One thing that I did want to mention was that the camera itself does not come with the USB-C cable for charging, so you will need to provide that yourself. It works with any USB-C charger, so you can hook it up to a battery pack, or usually any of the phone chargers that you might have will work for the camera to be able to charge the battery in the camera itself. If you wanted to get extra batteries, I looked online and there's a number of options. Most of them are not Sony brand. Sony brand batteries were incredibly expensive. They were about $60, but you can get two similar batteries with a charger for about $20. So now we're going to spend about a week trying to figure out how to use this new Sony ZV-1 Mk2 and hopefully get some great results ready for the holiday season. Thank you for watching.